In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon Pixma TR8622 printer. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer. Once your printer is on, we will open the ink cartridge chamber door. So there is a place to open the ink cartridge chamber door. So lift from one side and push it up until you hear a lock sound. Now go to the ink cartridge chamber here. You will see the ink cartridges are here and there is a lock on the ink cartridge, so push it inside and take it out. So you just have to press and take it out. So do it for all 5 ink cartridges. To install the new ink cartridge, take the ink cartridge out of the plastic packaging. Make sure the seal is facing downwards and in the front, and match the alphabets, numbers and the color. So it's very easy to install. Simply place it under and then press from this side. It will lock. Once you install it, you will hear a sound for each installation of ink. Now lift the door a little bit up and let it go down. Follow the instruction on the screen and then we are ready to use this printer. Thanks for watching.